Hello, our Desi and Pardesi friends. I'm Shweta.
I'm Naveen.
And welcome to A Desi Abroad. Today we are going to make for you a delicious yet simple recipe of Bhuna Gosht, a dish that you can put together with just a few ingredients that are commonly available. Let's start by taking a look at the ingredients we need to prepare this dish. So here we've taken half a kg of meat, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 medium-sized onion sliced, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 3 large tablespoons of oil, half a glass of water, 6 to 7 curry leaves and a handful of chopped coriander. Let's begin the process by adding 1 tablespoon of oil to a pressure cooker. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Wait for the seeds to splutter. Add in 1 medium-sized sliced onion. Add salt to taste and continue to saute the onions till they turn golden brown. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and continue to saute. Once the onions have turned a lovely golden brown, add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell of ginger garlic is gone. Now add in the meat. Mix it well. Add half a glass of water and pressure cook. It's taken us 4 whistles to cook the meat, but you can adjust the cooking time based on how long it usually takes you to cook meat in a pressure cooker. Once cooked, wait for the steam to settle and only then open the pressure cooker. Our meat is now nice and tender and it's time to fry this meat. To a kadai, add 1 large tablespoon of oil. To this, add 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Wait for the seeds to splutter. Now lower the heat and then add in all the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Adjust this as per your spice tolerance. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix all the spices well in the oil and then add in the cooked meat. Give it a good mix. Add 1 slit green chili and 2 large spoons of stock from the pressure cooker. Do not discard the remaining stock as you can freeze it into cubes and use it as stock cubes anytime you make soups. Add 6 to 7 curry leaves and continue to saute. You can see how well the water is drying up and the meat is now starting to crisp at the edges. Add a handful of chopped coriander and keep sauteing till all the water dries up. Now you can see how nicely the meat has absorbed all the spices, has crisped up well on the edges and is so flavorful to eat. Serve hot with boiled rice and this goes amazingly well with spinach rasam. Do check out that video, the link is at the top of this screen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. Also, do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you soon with another mouth-watering recipe. Until then, have a lovely week ahead.